ZCAR Stock Analysis, is it a buy or not? Let's see where is Zoomcar Holdings stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. When I'm looking at Zoomcar, it's just this thing is just really interesting because it was 63% up for Friday. If I check the daily chart here, you're gonna see how it looks like, right? At some point, it was even higher than that, a lot higher than that. But because I've made 26,000 videos and I've been through all these movements like these thousands of times, the only way in which I would move forward here and be something bullish is going to be if the price starts breaking first above 25 cents. Like it could be like, why not just buy at the bottom? Because we don't know if this really wants to continue to go up. A good representation of it showing that it wants to continue to go up by breaking that high and sitting above it. So, I'm just speaking from experience. If you want to learn the strategy, feel free to check the first link in the description. Our reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.